I'm going to show you how to post an acquisition in fixed assets with the Fiori app and the ABZOL T-code in SAP S/4HANA. My name is Nuno Dias and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance. I work as an SAP FICO Contract. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are now just reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a Glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, please subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. I'm building a document that will become a PDF how to navigate in the SAP at a Glance YouTube channel. If you want to receive the PDF, just connect with my LinkedIn that you can find in the description. Send me a message, I want the PDF and your email, and then once it's ready, I'll send it to you. When you are in a project and you need to capitalize an asset, so you have finalized all the configuration, now you need to give value to the asset, but you don't have the vendors yet created. When you are in a project and you need to capitalize some assets for testing and the vendors are not yet set up, this is a good option to give value to your asset. We are going to demonstrate only the Fiori app in order for the video to be short as possible, as what I like to do in this channel. Hence, the T-code of the SAP GUI is exactly the same thing to do it. If you have not seen the video how to navigate in the Fiori LAUNCHPAD and how to find Fiori apps in the SAP Fiori library, I strongly recommend you to do it. You can find the link for these videos in the description of this one. And now, without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the Fiori LAUNCHPAD in my home, so I have already the tile that I want to use with the transaction codes. So in here, I'm going to, by default, I have this company codes because it's in my settings. I'm going to change for my company codes. If you don't know how to do it, you can see the videos of how to navigate in the LAUNCHPAD. Now, existing assets, let's imagine I'm doing something and I want to create a new asset. Okay, the asset has been created and I'm going now to capitalize the asset. I'm going to make here okay. Then as a SAP S/4HANA, we can now define if I want to post this into one of these accounts principals, and also if I want to do this only for a specific depreciation area. In my case, we are going to keep this empty, so it will post to everything. So then what we are going to add here is going to be the document date, asset value date, which is the capitalization that will be displayed in the asset master data. And the posted amount, I'm going to put 8,000 BRL. Okay, now here in the additional details, I can choose also the document type that I want to post this, offsetting accounting, if it's not coming from the configuration. In our case, it's coming from the configuration. Posting period, transaction type is coming by default, but I can go and choose the transaction types for this. I'm not going to do that. Trading partner, partner business area, reference and agreement. So I think I'm going to just do here SAP for all. And then here the quantity is, imagine that I was buying some mouses, some laptops, some screens. This is an example. I could put here 10, for example. So I would know that this assets main number would refer to 10 and put the unit, and I would be choosing the unit like this is 10 mouses, for example, and I would be choosing this option there. Okay, this is an example that you might do in your company. Here we can simulate. So here we can see we are posting in the ledger 0L, but if we go to the 0L and then we want to group of the currency, we can see that we are posting USD. And also if we choose there, for instance, this, we see that we are also posting the ledger 2L. So then here we just need to click post, and then two documents are created, one for each ledger that is assigned to my asset. In case you have more ledgers assigned to your assets or to your company code, more documents you are going to have here. So this is the big difference in posting this to the ECC version to the SAP S/4HANA system. If you are enjoying this video as me doing for you, please make a like to us. Now, if we continue here, I can go here, environment, and then asset master records. And then, as you can see, I have already the capitalization date of today's of this asset that I have changed. I can go back, and then there I can go to the asset values. So in the asset values, we see that we have the value of 18,000. Okay, and then I have here, so basically this is the ledgers and the depreciation areas. So if I'm clicking there, we are changing the currencies, okay, all the depreciation areas assigned to my company code, and here is the asset value. If we double click, we can jump into the FI document created, and then we can display the other document, which is showing us that this was the T code that posted this, even though we are using the Fiori app. And then my name, my user ID, and then the date and so on. This should be known by you at this point in time. Document type is showing as well. This is the FI document created for this asset capitalization. Now you know how to post acquisitions in fixed assets using the Fiori app. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please subscribe to this channel to receive fresh new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.